I want to make a quick video for you today on this trick that I have discovered using the Denman brush. I would watch other videos and see people using the Denman brush in order to get curls. Not to get curls, but to actually get their hair to be coily or whatever. They just had some popping curls. And I wanted my curls to be popping too. So I got a Denman brush. I used it, washed my hair, put my styling products in, and brushed all the way through. If you like the shrunken look, great, but I liked my curls elongated, and that's what I was looking for, so I just never used the Denman brush. I came back to it though, because I was like, what if I just tried it a different way? First of all, if you look at my hair, it's more zigzaggy, and it's not more like coily. I really just didn't have that like curly bouncy look. I really had to play with the Denman brush in order to figure out like how can I use this to get my curls to be bouncy but actually keep the curls elongated and not have them shrink up to here. Let's just get into it. You see, I freshly washed this piece of hair. It goes kind of just goes all the way to the end like that. No really curls or coils going on here. I wet the hair all the way down. You can see the texture of the hair when it's wet. No products. This is what we're working with. I apply my products. Still not really a lot of coil action going here. So this would be the point where people would normally take the Denman brush and go all the way through. I use it just on the ends. Starting to coil already. This would just give my hair the coily illusion once it's dry. My hair is still elongated. The ends are coiled. So when you see my hair out in full, it's bouncy with the curls on the end, but still long throughout. And it's still curling. Usually with the Denman brush, as you're going through your hair, it will still curl. As it dries, it just gets, coilier. This isn't a process that takes a long time. I'm not each little section doing this. I just put the products in, boom. Put the products in, boom. Nothing that takes a really long time. For those who may struggle a little bit with having coils, get those coils on the end. Make your hair curly on the ends. See those curls? There it is. This is about day 3, 4. And when I like to look at people's hair, I want to see what your hair looks like a few days later. Because the first day, everybody's hair is going to be bouncy and curly and spirally and shiny. I wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like days later, not after I have done this trick, because we want to know how long it lasts as well. My hair is still coily on the ends. Days later, and it still gives me that bouncy effect. It gives you that illusion of curls when actually it's just curly on the ends. And before, my hair wasn't curly on the ends, it would just kind of fizzle out. But doing it this way, I've discovered that I can get, you know, bouncy hair curls. Give it a try and let me know if it works for you. So comment, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time.